Hey everyone, it's Sebastian with Ignite Your Craft. I am here at my candle shop, Garsnett Beacon Candle Company, and I wanted to let you know that we have now opened enrollment for our August candle making bootcamp. So super excited that you're here watching this. That means you probably were interested at some point, and right now is the time if you wanted to sign up. So we weren't sure we were going to be able to get one in the summer because we've just been so busy. We've got 3 shops now. It's kind of hectic, but we did get to a staffing level where we are good and comfortable that we can give you the best in this boot camp. So boot camp starts on August 4th. So if you sign up now, you're going to get a welcome email. You're going to get a supply list of things that we use. You do not have to go and buy those. You can use just the items that you already have, most likely. But we break this down over 4 weeks. So it starts this August 4th. On this Sunday, we drop the first week's module with a bunch of lessons within there. So some of it's text, some of it's video based, just based on what it is. The first module is kind of the boring one. It's going to be the one about the math, the science, why this wick works with this wax and this vessel type of stuff. Then the following module, we get into the candle making and the steps and the processes that we use to make all the candles here in our shop and what we teach. And third lesson, third module is the breaking down the testing of exactly how to test, what to look for, what works, what doesn't work. So there's a lot of misinformation about, oh, it should be burning in 4 hours. It should be here and there, and it should be this deep, and there should be this much of a temperature gauge with this, all kinds of stuff. A lot of it is good, but most of it people are getting twisted. Different waxes work different ways. So that's the third week. And then the fourth week, we talk about the branding and the selling of your products, because it's one thing to make the products, but have you thought about how you're going to sell them after you make them? So we go over all that in this boot camp. Again, enrollment is open now. If you wanted to get involved, now is the perfect time to do that. I don't know when we're going to be able to get to the next one. This one will end in September, or I guess the end of August, September is when this one will end. We might be able to get to another one before the end of the year. However, if we are able to get to that, you're not going to be able to have candles ready to sell by Christmas from that one. Realistically, you're not going to have the branding and everything else around the candle making completed by then. However, with this one, you will make candles that you will be comfortable with by the end of this course. And if not, I'm going to work with you until you are. That's what we do. We do candles all day, every day. And I want to help you do the same thing. So sign up now. You'll get lots of welcome emails from us. And then there's also a private Facebook group for you to hop into where we kind of go over a lot of the stuff within the course. And remember, all the modules. So we give you the modules on Sunday, and then on Wednesday, Thursdays of the following week, we do a live Zoom, and where we hop on and we answer any questions, see where you're stuck, see where I can help you with things, and go from there. And so you don't have to attend those live. You can catch the recording. We'll also send messages to you to get you to submit questions ahead of time, just in case you're going to be busy. And we try to do a balance of in the morning and then at night, based on people's availability and where they are in the world. So if you wanted to join, now's the perfect time. We start this Sunday. And yeah, hope you're doing well. If you aren't interested, or you, it's not a right time or right fit for you, but you do have questions, send me an email, respond to this email, and I will, I'll see if I can get you an answer. Okay. Have a great day. Take care.